Welcome to Hindustan College of Arts and Sciences, a private college in Chennai. We are proud to offer an exceptional education under the guidance of highly skilled faculty members. Our cutting-edge facilities and supportive environment provide students with everything they need to succeed. We understand that students face many challenges in today's fast-paced world. That's why we are committed to creating a positive and inspiring learning environment. Our classrooms are equipped with the latest technology, and our faculty are passionate about helping students learn. Our library is a vast repository of knowledge. Students have access to a wide range of resources, including books, reports, journals, periodicals, CDs, and videos. The library also offers subscriptions to national and international case studies, which help students broaden their horizons and enhance their intellectual capabilities. Our computer lab is designed to meet the needs of today's students. The lab is equipped with the latest software and hardware, and students have access to one-on-one tutoring from our experienced staff. Our campus cafeteria is a welcoming space where students can relax and enjoy a meal with their friends. Our campus auditorium is an ideal venue for a variety of events. Whether you are planning a national seminar or a high-level event, our facilities have everything you need to make your event a success. We believe that holistic development is just as important as academic achievement. That's why we offer a variety of extracurricular activities, including sports, clubs, and organizations. We understand that safety is a top priority for our students and their families. That's why we offer transportation services to and from campus. For students who need a home away from home, we offer separate hostels for boys and girls. Our hostels are clean, comfortable, and well equipped. We hope you have enjoyed this virtual tour of the Hindustan College of Arts and Sciences. We invite you to visit our campus and learn more about our programs and services.